Hey guys, Sean here. Gonna do a little shave tonight. It is November 5th, Election Day. Hope everybody went out and voted. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with razors I'm gonna be using tonight. I used this Zartina a few days ago, well actually yesterday. Wasn't 100% happy with the edge. I went back actually and refined it a little bit. I'm curious to see how it shaves tonight. And then the second razor I'm going to be testing is my Geneva Cutlery. I actually just back beveled this razor on a 6-foot black Arkansas stone. Then I went to a 25-foot wheel-shaped jasper, and then finished on the flat side of the jasper stone that I have. Soap I'm going to be using for tonight is the Cajun blade, Vache. Brush I'm going to be using is my Yaqi 24mm Badger brush. Absolutely love this guy. It's awesome. Pre-shave I'm going to be using is Dawn of Glory. Old, reliable, good stuff. Bit expensive, but fantastic. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and whip my face. Changed up the lighting a little bit here in the bathroom, so hopefully it's not as freaking bright as it has been, which I apologize. Still trying to find a setup that I really like, I guess. Right. All right. So, actually, I'm not going to start with the Zartina. I'm going to start with the Geneva Cutlery. All right, let's see how we do. That's a nice edge. swear this blade has gotten louder since I hollowed that bevel out some. All right, back to the Zartina. All right, I really want to, I want to attempt using my left hand, but with this razor not having any gems, I do not, I don't trust myself not to cut my face up. Oh yeah, this is what I was looking for. Yes. All right. Yeah, I really do like this Zartina. It's a nice little razor. Nice little razor. I'm not sure why I just did that since I'm doing another pass, but whatever. All right. Back to the Geneva Cutlery. Man, that's a nice edge. I think Sean said it best in one of his videos that I watched the other day. You can really tell a difference when you're going against the grain. I really want to be able to... No, I don't like how that feels. And I hate... Man, I just tightened this stinking razor up. I've noticed this with plastic scaled razors. It's like you open them up a few times and they lose that tightness that they had. Alright, gonna use some Thayer's Witch's Hazel Lavender Facial Toner. Splash this on, and I need to get some more aftershaves. I don't have a very wide variety, but tonight I'm gonna use some Nivea Men Sensitive Cool Post-Shave Cooling Balm. Which I don't know if you exactly would even consider this aftershave. I don't think you would, but I don't know. I'm going to call it aftershave. I cannot wait till this freaking thing heals up so I can just mow all this off. Alright. Well, that was a fantastic shave. Great edges from both razors. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.